जर्नी विद इवेंट्स एक्सपर्ट, तो आपका इवेंट्स एक्सपर्ट के साथ जर्नी कैसा था? हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस विद द कोर्स? कौन सी चीजें आपको अच्छी लगी?
It was definitely very productive, fruitful, and knowledgeable, full of knowledge. Uh, I just I got to know a lot because I wanted such information and such detailing about this industry, which I got all in 6 months only. This was a great short term but full of knowledge diploma. It does not require you a great big time to just to do a diploma. So the basically is what you do on ground and what you do on field is practically matters a lot, but when you are on ground you have to have that knowledge theoretically what you will be going to do. So that knowledge I got from event experts, and that was very well experienced. And I knew a lot of terms and which I did in my college terms, but I didn't know that we call it this or that. Like RSVP, I told you I had no idea that this is calling a term. So I got to know a lot about this industry, and I guess after completing this course, many or few students only would choose to not to step into this industry. I guess these 6 months will prepare you enough to strive you to go on field and work. So assignments were very practical enough. They were not like you have to search for something on Google and you can copy paste it. That's not like that. You have to create your own idea and work on it. So that's what you do in your assignments, and that's what you have to do on ground also. So
Yeah.
that's a good preparation for on ground field. That's nothing like that. It's online, so this will not be that productive and that nice, but the knowledge you want to have around this of this industry is this course is perfect and the best for it.
Thank you,
But
Aishwarya.
I recommended one of my friend's friend who was just talking me about the events and all. So I suggested her also to uh, come up with this course, and I sent her the PPT about it. So she liked it and she'll think about it if she is really serious about the events and that.
Perfect,
So
perfect.
I'll suggest everyone to take diploma course in event experts, definitely.